If you're planning to get a real ID in Missouri, here's a clear step-by-step guide. You'll need to apply in person at a Missouri license office, and the most important part is making sure you bring the right documents. First, you need one document that proves your identity and shows your full name and date of birth. This could be a valid passport, a birth certificate, a permanent resident card, or a certificate of citizenship. Second, you need to show lawful status. In many cases, the same document you used for identity can also cover this requirement, such as a passport or permanent resident card. Third, you must bring proof of your social security number. This has to be an original document, not laminated or altered. A social security card, W-2 form, or a recent pay stub with your name and number will work. In some cases, if your SSN was already verified before, you may only need to give it verbally. Fourth, you'll need two documents that show your Missouri residential address, and they have to come from two different sources. Examples include a utility bill, government mail, insurance papers, or medical documents. Some other items are also accepted, like a rental agreement, mortgage papers, or even a driver license renewal postcard, but only one of each type can be used. If your legal name has changed, be sure to bring documents that connect your old and new names. A marriage license, divorce decree, adoption papers, or court order can be used for this. Once you've gathered all of these, head to a license office and apply. Bring originals, not copies, and make sure everything is current and accurate. That's all it takes to get a real ID in Missouri.